3 years na since nung nilaunch natin yung Profender dito sa AV Moto. And common question ng karamihan, no? Ano-ano nga ba yung available series na meron si Profender dito sa AV Moto Tuning? Let's start muna sa Max Series, which is yung entry level ni Profender. Kung ikaw ay sawa na sa stock performance and you want a little bit of change or little bit of an upgrade, but yung budget natin, syempre alam natin may mga priorities tayo, no? You can start with Max Series. Si Max Series meron siyang dalawang feature wherein you can change yung preload niya and then yung height. And kung nabitin ka naman doon sa performance na binibigay ng Max Series ng Profender, mayroon ka pa rin namang path for upgrade, which is yung Flash Series natin. With Flash Series, you can see physically na mas more rigid yung build niya and mas malaki yung shafting niya compared sa Max Series. And the difference between the Max Series and the Flash Series is yung adjustability features niya, wherein kay Flash Series, meron na siyang rebound adjuster, which you can see sa babang portion ng shock natin. Let's move forward naman doon sa pangdiinan natin na shock na meron kay Profender, which is yung following kay Flash is yung Air Series. With Air Series kasi, meron na siyang reservoir, which means mas marami ka ng nitrogen and mas marami ka ng oil, which gives you a better performance pagdating especially kung naglo-long ride ka or daily man. With the same features rin naman na meron siya kay Flash, which is you can adjust yung preload and then yung rebound. Kung ikaw naman ay parte ng isang concept community or lagi kang nagra-ride, kasama mo lagi si OBR, and syempre medyo meron tayong pagkaselan pagdating dun sa aesthetic ng shock natin. Perfect na perfect sa'yo yung X-Series. Bakit? You can enjoy yung full adjustability features na meron sa X-Series. Compression, preload, and rebound adjustment. And also, sinabi ko kung madalas ka mag-ride at kasama mo si Mrs. Good thing din kasi X-Series offers an extra spring wherein it can compensate dun sa additional weight kung meron kang extra baggage during your ride. And also, pagdating sa aesthetics, kagaya na sinabi ko, you can also have the option to change yung existing na knob ng compression into a CNC knob. So, pagdating sa aesthetic and performance, kung yan ang hanap mo, perfect na perfect sa'yo ang X-Series. And syempre, Profender never failed us to give us an option para dun sa mga specific needs natin. And recently nga lang, nilaunch nila itong top of the line natin, which is yung Series X Plus. Wherein, lahat ng features na meron kay X-Series ay available pa rin kay Series X Plus, but meron siyang additional, which is yung height adjustment, wherein you can adjust the height of your shock up to additional 10 millimeters. And also, in terms of aesthetic-wise, you have the option as well to change yung current CNC knobs niya, hindi lang sa compression knob, but dun sa pati sa preload and then dun sa rebound adjuster niya. So perfect na perfect para dun sa mga nagbi-build. Series X Plus is the way to go. So it's a combination of aesthetic and performance. And dito sa AV Moto, hindi lang produkto yung pinoprovide namin sa inyo, but syempre yung peace of mind. Kasi on all these models ng Profender, we are offering a 2-year warranty wherein first year mo meron kang replacement warranty and additional 1 year para dun sa service warranty naman na provided syempre ng AV Moto. And also, these Profender series are all available for retail and wholesale sa ating Camarin, Antipolo, and Manila branch.